Pakistan is a country located at the crossroads of South Asia and Middle East, has been navigating a complex geographic landscape in recent years. In foreign policy, it has evolved significantly in response to changing regional and global dynamics. This video aims to dive into the current foreign policy of Pakistan, examine its key principles, strategic partnerships, and challenges. Pakistan foreign policy is guided by several fundamental principles that have shaped its approach to international relations. These principles include sovereignty and territory integrity. Pakistan firmly upholds sovereignty and territorial integrity. The country has a long history of defending its borders and maintaining its independence. Non-alignment. Pakistan follows a non-alignment policy, avoiding formal military alliances with major powers. However, it maintains a strong bilateral relationship with both United States and China. Regional peace and stability. Pakistan believes in promoting peace and stability in its region. It plays an active role in resolving conflicts and for fostering cooperation among South Asian nations. Economical development. The government recognizes the importance of economical development and seeks to enhance trade and investment ties with other countries. Pakistan has forged strategic partnerships with several countries, including United States. The US has been a key partner of Pakistan's in counterterrorism efforts and economical development. However, relations have been strained in recent years due to differences over Afghanistan and regional security. China, Pakistan and China have a strong and growing bilateral relationship. China is Pakistan's largest investor and in a major supplier of military equipment. Saudi Arabia provides a financial assistance and energy resource to Pakistan. The two countries also cooperate on counterterrorism and regional security. Pakistan and Turkey share close cultural and historical ties. They collaborate on defense, trade, energy projects. Pakistan faces several changes in implementing its foreign policy. Regional rivalry. Tensions with India over the dispute or territory of Kashmir remains a major obstacle to regional peace and cooperation. Pakistan has a target of terrorist attacks for various militant groups. It has also undertaken significant efforts to combat terrorism, but the threat of terrorism persists. Economical dependence. Pakistan economy is heavily reliant on foreign aid and investment. This can make a vulnerable to external pressure and influence. US-China rivalry. Pakistan's strategic partnership with both US and China post diplomatic balancing act. The country must navigate the growing rivalry between two global powers. Pakistan's foreign policy has undergone notable changes in recent years. Some key developments include normalization with India. In 2021, Pakistan and India initiated a ceasefire along the line of control in Kashmir. This move has been a positive step towards reducing tensions between the two countries. Withdrawal from Afghanistan. Pakistan played a key role in US withdrawal from Afghanistan in 2021. The country since has been involved in the efforts to stabilize the region and prevent a resurgence of terrorism. Growing ties with Russia. Pakistan has strengthened its tie with Russia in recent years, particularly in the areas of energy and defense. Pakistan foreign policy is a complex and evolving field shaped by a mixed domestic and international factors. The country seeks to balance its strategic interest and maintain its sovereignty and promote regional peace and economical development. While it faces significant challenges, Pakistan remains a key player in South Asia and the wider international community as the world continues to grapple with geopolitical shifts. Pakistan's foreign policy will continue to adopt and navigate ever changing global landscape.